Hi everybody, Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and we're finishing up our job here on Washington Island, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like with doing it. It helped me. Uh, we're loading up our trailer. We're hauling materials back over into the garage. We're putting our ladders and stuff on top of the trailer where they came from. And anyhow, it's a great team effort. I'm so grateful to these guys that run around and do this work with me. But this timber frame porch edition looks amazing. I've said it before, but the company has some sort of process for distressing brand new lumber and making it look like that. So anyway, the porch really accents the house quite well. There was a little opening over the roof over the top of the door, and while I was taking it off last year, I ended up with a little accident that got me that scar on my arm, but we won't talk about that now. Anyway, the inside work was really nice to have because it rained every other day, and they're actually expecting storms tonight. And this is that pre-cut stairway that I showed you parts of before. We got the treads that come through with the tenon on the outside and a peg in them, and the railing is done with the same design that I used on my model home, which we call the Sophus house. Buddy, how's that step work out for you? I think the gaps between the steps are a little more than what the code allows, but I don't think a permit was pulled on this in the first place, so I'm not going to worry about it. Anyway, the joinery worked out good. We did a little bevel on the top of the newel posts, which are laminated from two pieces of material that the handrails were made from. And we used a half post on this end that was, again, laminated from two pieces of railing material, so that we could fasten it into a chinking joint at the top and the bottom. What do you think of that, buddy? Huh? Pretty good, huh? All right, well, we got the rusty wrought iron railings in here. Actually, we didn't try to make them rust any more than they were to begin with. But we moved the railing to the inside face of the post so that if a person actually needed to use the railing, they could get their hand past this big fat beam. So anyway, that's the end of the job, folks. I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. The crew I had on this job was excellent, and I'm actually bouncing back and forth between this job and one on the north end of the island that you probably also will see before or after this one, depending on how I decide to upload them. Anyhow, it's been a great experience, and we did a workshop here and found enough work to come back next year for our 2025 workation, we call it. Hopefully we'll catch more fish then. Thanks for watching, folks.